In this video, I'm going to share with you 2 safe methods you can use to get 1,000 organic subscribers within 3 to 7 days. Emphasis on organic subscribers. Now take a look at this. I got 1,000 subscribers in 3 days. You can see on the first day I got 486 subscribers. This was on the 15th of August 2026. On the second day I got 875 subscribers, and on the third day I moved to 1,028 subscribers. And like I said, this method is 100% safe and organic. You can see YouTube is the one recommending people to come and subscribe. And another beautiful part about this method is that you are not just going to be getting subscribers, but you're going to be getting subscribers based on your niche. That is, if you're into the football niche, you're going to be getting subscribers that are going to be watching your videos. If you're into the health niche, you are also going to be getting subscribers based on your health niche. So every subscribers you're going to be getting through this method will come and subscribe to your channel and also watch your own videos. So try not to skip out on any part so that this method is going to work for you. And when you eventually get your 1,000 subscribers, don't forget to come back to tell me that, Bukky, thank you, this method worked for me. So with that being said, let's just head straight into the main video.
Now, this method is in 2 ways. For the first method, you're going to be getting your subscribers, 1,000 subscribers in the next 24 to 72 hours. It is the fastest method, but it also has a clause to it, and I'm going to share it in this video. While the second method, you're going to be getting subscribers based on your niche, and I'm going to share exactly in this video. So let's start with the first one. So the first thing is for you to go to your Chrome browser and then you type Snap Insta. Okay, now this is the first one is the one you're going to click on. So click on it, and then it is going to bring you to this interface. Now once you have this interface opened, do not close it. Next thing you want to do is to minimize this page, then head over to Instagram. So if you don't have Instagram, I'm sure a lot of us have Instagram, right? So click on Instagram, and once it opens like this, next thing you want to do is go to the search bar. Now please don't skip out on any parts, okay, so that this method is going to work for you. I want us all to get our 1,000 subscribers very fast. So click on the search icon. Now you're going to see this interface. You're going to see a lot of videos. So what you want to do now is look for a very catchy video. Now, not just anyhow video, okay? You're going to look for videos that people see that video, they will have no choice than to click. Now look at this skeleton video. It's very catchy. You will want to click on it. Now the second criteria is that you are going to look for a video that has millions of views, not just anyhow video, but the video must have at least from 10 million views above. Okay, that's a good fit for you to get the subscribers. Now take a look at this this pregnant woman that is inside the water. This looks very catchy. Even without clicking on it, you will know that this is very captivating. Do you understand? So these are the kind of videos you want to go for. So let's click on it to see. So that one is good, but then I want something else that, you know, I need more than one video. So let's check another one to see. Now this is very catchy. Just without clicking on it, you can see that this looks very catchy, and it also has 23 million views. So can you see? Now I'm just going to look for another video, maybe the one that has higher view. Please don't skip out on any part. Follow me through, okay? You're going to understand. Now take a look at this video. It has 807 million, almost 1 billion. So in fact, this is the perfect match. Once you find a video like this that has high view, just click on it, okay? Now once you click on it, click on this arrow sign that you can see here. Wow, this video is very catchy. No wonder it had this amount of engagement. Now look at the likes, 19 million. So this is a perfect match, right? And this video alone can get you more than 1,000 subscribers. Please don't skip out on any part, because there's a specific way you need to use this video so that you don't get copyrighted. Now click on the arrow sign where you see 2.9, and it's going to bring you to this interface. The next thing you want to do is click on copy link, okay? Now after copying the link, the next thing is to minimize and come to this place you opened on your Chrome browser, then paste the link and click on download. Okay, now just scroll down. Don't mind all these ads. Just scroll down and click on download video. Now once you download video, it is automatically going to save into your files. Okay, so if you're using an iPhone, go to your files. If you are using Android, it should save automatically into your gallery. Now once you have this, save it to your phone. All right, next thing is for you to head over to YouTube. Okay, now once you open your YouTube app, click on the plus icon. Right now it is going to show you this interface. Go to shorts. Now once you go to shorts, click on add.
All right, now you're going to see your gallery like this. You want to click on the video you saved. I would have used this particular one that with 800 million views, but this pregnant woman looks very, very catchy, so I'm going to be using her for this tutorial. So click on it and click on next. Now once you click on next, it is going to bring you to this interface. Click on done and it is going to process. While it is processing, if you've not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel so that I'm going to bring more tips that can help you grow. Now once you come to this interface, click on the volume icon and reduce the audio of the original video. Right now you're just going to drag and reduce. After reducing it, the next thing you want to do is click on add sound. Now you're going to see this interface. You want to now look for song that a lot of people have used. Just look for songs in millions. Okay, so I'm just going to scroll down and I'm going to use this particular one. This one is good. Now you're going to click on the arrow icon and that way you added the song to your video. Please, at this point, do not skip out on any part, please, so that you don't get copyrighted. This method works, okay, if only you follow exactly. Now the next thing, click on the text icon, then you're just going to write something about the video. So I'm just going to type shocking and then use the emoji. Then you're going to drag it to where it fits on the video. Now once you're done with this, the next thing is click on done and it is going to bring you to this interface. Next thing, click on the pencil icon to choose a very catchy part of the video as your thumbnail. So this part looks catchy, and once you're done with that, click on the mark sign and it is going to take you back to where you need to add caption. Now you want to add a very catchy caption or a title to this video. So I'm just going to type pregnant mom underwater. Then please take note of this hashtag. Make sure you use this exact hashtag. Okay, you're going to type hashtag shorts and hashtag trending. These two hashtags are okay. Now once you're done, the next thing is fill out the form. Fill out everything you need to fill. Your video is for kids, select your audience, and then AI use like that. Now once you're done with this, the next thing you want to do is you're going to upload this short on your channel. Now for you to be able to get maximum results with this first method, you need to upload at least 10 shots in a day. This works, okay? So you can schedule your post. You can upload like 10 and schedule them at different time in a day. Now the disadvantage of this method is that this works. In fact, you may actually get to 1,000 subscribers within 24 hours, 48 hours or 72 hours. But the disadvantage is that you're going to attract audience that are not related to your niche. You understand? But this is a very fast method. So if you don't mind the subscribers you're getting, you can use this method. But if you really want subscribers that are going to watch your videos that is related to your niche, that is when the second method comes in. Now let me show you how to get that done. For this method, come back to YouTube. Now you're going to click on the search icon. Now once you click on the search icon, you're going to type your exact niche. So if you're into health, type health. If you're into cooking, type cooking. If you're into football, type football. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be using the health niche. So I'm just going to type health videos. Okay, so if your own is cooking, just type cooking videos. Right, then you search for it and it is going to bring you to this interface. Now you're going to see at the top, right, click on shorts. Okay, I want you to pay attention here. Now once you click on shorts and it starts bringing out different shorts health videos, you now need to look for videos that were uploaded less than 1 year ago that went extremely viral. In millions of views, that got millions of views. Okay, so I'm just going to search for videos that really went viral that was uploaded less than 1 year ago. Right now I'm just going to use this particular one. It was uploaded 1 month ago and it already has 3.4 million views. So this is actually a very good one. Right, like I said, if you're into the cooking niche, look for videos in your cooking niche that really went viral. You understand? Now once you find a video that went viral and did really well in less than 1 year, the next thing is for you to click on the video, right, and click on this arrow. You're going to see these options. You're going to see use this sound, collab, green screen, cut this video. Click on collab. Okay, now you're going to see this interface. Click on next. All right, and it is going to process. Now this is what you're going to see. You want to react to the video. Okay, you're going to react exactly like this. Don't forget to mute your mic while you're doing this process. So when you're done with reacting to it, just click on next and it is going to take you to the next interface. Okay, so now this is what you're going to see. The next thing you want to do is click on the pencil icon to choose a very clickable thumbnail for this video. And now once you're done, go back to the title,
give it a very good title. Now there's a catch to this, so that you're going to attract the right audience and attract the right subscribers. Okay, after writing the title, you're going to use this exact hashtag short, hashtag trending. Then you're going to put hashtag your niche. So if you're into the cooking niche, put hashtag cooking. If you're into health, hashtag health. Do we understand? This is for you to be able to attract the right subscribers. Do you get? So now once you're done with this, the next thing is just fill out all these no, it's for kids, no, it's not for kids, yes, it's AI or not. Then click on upload short. Now for this method to also work for you, you need to upload at least 10 videos per day. Do you understand? This will help you get fast subscribers. So if you find this video very helpful, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye.